Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It feels like forever since I actually did a product like first impressions video, and today I am doing it. I have this milk scrub. It's from Beekman 1802. I love their product line. They have so many phenomenal products, and definitely make sure you stay tuned and checked into my channel because I will be sharing some other products and some other reviews from them. But I thought, what better time than now to do like a sugar scrub. This doesn't specifically say how many times you can use it in a week. Typically with a sugar scrub, I try to use it at least once or twice a week just to exfoliate my skin. So this is, let me actually open it, it's brand new. I am going to for people who are sensitive to scents or just prefer not to have a sugar scrub or a facial product with scents, this, I don't smell anything. I could be wrong. I don't smell anything. I'll let you know once I apply it to my face. I don't smell nothing. So this is, if you don't like fragrances, I would say this is the product for you. It does have oat milk or oat and goat milk. And it's to gently skin polish your skin. But I'm going to moisten my face, and then I'm going to add this, and I'm going to let you know how I actually feel about it on my skin. So this is it. Let's see. So this is okay. It's not really coarse. There are some products that are like extremely coarse. It doesn't feel really coarse. Okay, and it doesn't come out like really thick as well. So that's that. Let me see. Oh, okay. You really don't need a lot because it's not really thick. I am just going to do probably a dab more. Let's see. This feels really good. This feels really good. It's not super coarse because there's sometimes that I apply these scrubs and it feels like torture. If you have ever experienced that, please let me know if that's the only person. Like, it's times I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is intense. This doesn't feel like that. This feels really just soothing. Oh my gosh. It feels so soothing. It's not what you think. So I think that's why they don't have it as like a specific amount of days. Usually with scrubs, you can use them like 2 or 3 times a week. But this is so, oh my gosh. This is so nice. I wouldn't even be surprised if people are using this like, and of course you got to get your neck. Don't forget about your neck. Everybody always forget about your neck. With that, I could see people, this feels very creamy. Very creamy. And it feels good, but I did that for my neck. It feels very like soothing, very relaxing. If you are looking for a spa day at home, this is it. This is definitely it. It's going to give you that spa day at home feeling. If you want something that's very gentle, it doesn't say gentle on it. It says a scrub, and usually scrubs feel a lot different from this, but this feels very relaxing. And there's still no scent. So if you don't like a scent, this is the product for you. There's no scent. And I'm so happy that I gave this a try. Oh my gosh. This is going to be in my rotation from now on because it actually feels moisturizing. It's a moisturizer. They probably didn't want to say that, but it definitely feels like a moisturizing milk scrub. It feels very silky, very nice, very spa-ish. It feels like a spa day at home. You don't even feel like, it's not as coarse. Like, even though I do, like, you see it all over my fingers, it's not very like scrubby to the point where you're just like, ugh, I don't feel like using this. It feels very gentle, very milky, very like moisturizing. You see how moisturized my hands look? Very, very moisturizing. I'm going to wipe it off and see how my skin feels after. Alright, I actually have like facial towels. I don't know why I'm using like a white face washcloth. I'll try it. My skin feels very moisturized. It doesn't feel like I just did a scrub. It feels very plump and juicy and moisturized. I did my neck as well. I just feel like a lot of people forget about their neck, and any product you put on your face, you should be putting on your neck as well, unless it says not to. This product, definitely, I'm excited because the winter months are really harsh on my skin. Very, very, very excited about this and just having it to nourish my skin during the cold winter months. I'm very excited about this product, and if you who are looking for a scrub for your face, this is it. This is it. Like, you found your product. Very gentle, very soothing, very relaxing, and you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for checking out this video, and I'll chat with you in the next one.